Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Wickenburg, local and long distance movers near me. You've started looking for a relocating firm to help you relocate, haven't you? If you have, you must have realized the importance of quickly sorting out this aspect of relocation. Not only will a relocation company help you pack and offload your belongings, but they will also make sure you get settled quickly into your new environment. Call 3 Movers today to help you with your relocation. 3 Movers is the best relocation firm in Wickenburg, Arizona, and you should always consider us when you want to relocate. The moving company you choose will determine how successfully and smoothly your relocation will go. If you choose an inexperienced company, you will have a lot of problems, especially with damages and losses of some, if not all, of your properties. Therefore, you should choose movers with a lot of experience and a positive reputation so that your relocation can be flawless. 3 Movers is such a firm. With us at the helm of your relocation, you can become assured of your relocation, confident in the knowledge that we will help you move with ease. We will help you coordinate, organize, and manage your move without putting any burden on you. In addition to local and long distance moving, our Wickenburg moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online form.